now is the big male peacocks with the bright feathers. If you look at those feathers under a microscope, they've got little keratin plates. Keratin is what your fingernails are made out of, and they bounce the light so they shine. That's kind of a fun fact. Let's go a little higher though. And they know they're pretty. They're showing off to attract the females so that they can have babies. And they do that every springtime.